how to add a new role at the same company in LinkedIn. So what you're gonna have to do is go to your profile over here and just go to your view profile. So scroll down to your experiences, basically where your company will be shown. So press on add experiences. We're gonna go ahead and put in the first role. So put in a title over here. Then go ahead and choose employment type, then the company that you want. So let's go ahead and put this over here. Let's say YouTube. So this one. Make sure the company you're using over here will be exactly the same as the one later on. So go ahead and put in more information if you want, but go ahead and save anyway. So once you have the details of the first company, just go ahead and go back to the experiences and just press on the plus sign over here. What you're gonna have to do is press on add position. So this time, go ahead and put in the new title of the new position you have, the employment type, then the company, which in our case is still going to be YouTube. Put in the start date, make sure it's going to be further on from the previous role that you go ahead and chose. So make sure it's in a future date, obviously, since it's a newer one. Then just go ahead and press and save. So once you do that, you will be able to see that the experiences of your YouTube company will have a new role. So basically the older role and the newer role. So that's pretty much how you add a new role in LinkedIn to the same company. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.